Hey guys, today I'm gonna share with you how to get clients to your agency without any outreach, just using the power of LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, and artificial intelligence. If you're an agency looking to expand your reach and grow your client base, then this video is for you. So let's start from LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a great place to share your agency's content and connect with the potential customers. One way to do this is creating a high-quality, engaging content that showcases your skill and knowledge. For example, I write an article in which I tell how my potential customers can improve their brand using my advice that I give them in article. The key is to create content that adds value to your target audience and position your agency as a thought leader in your industry. Also, mirror exposure effect, building the credibility and trust in your brand by increasing familiarity and comfort with your target audience when they constantly watch your content. So, for example, you can use ChatGPT, dreamstudio, and other AI tools to automatically create you a bunch of content for your profiles and groups. In ChatGPT, you can create an articles, post, follow-up messages, and a lot of other text forms. And dreamstudio or Midjourney can help you to create images for that. So, and let's try to create a simple article in Notion. And I'm gonna use Notion and an AI that they implement. This is the form of ChatGPT, but they implemented inside the Notion app. So, for example, let's ask it to create for us an article about TikTok ad tips. So to activate an AI, we just need to click on space and we'll see, tell AI what to write. So I'm gonna ask it just to write a simple article. So I want a simple task and let's just see what it's gonna give us. As you can see, it's already created for us a headline for this article. It's done and wrote for us, not really long, but simple article on how to run profitable ads on TikTok. It's divided into sections. I ask it in a task. If you wanna change something, you can, for example, select it, click Ask AI, and for example, we wanna change the tone on professional. Let's look what it's gonna give us. Yeah, it's great it in a different way with the expert tone, and it's really cool. It has a lot of cool features inside the Notion, and we just can also click make longer. So, and it will give us the version which written with a tone of expert, and it's gonna be longer than the previous one. And we just click replace. So that's how you can change something with the AI. Let's create some bullet points. We select it again, and we're gonna click find action items and click insert. So it created for us bullet points, and now I'm gonna show you how to summarize all this. So we select all this with a Command A in Mac or Control A in Windows. We tap Ask AI, summarize, and it will give us a conclusion of all articles. So we have a conclusion and we have an article, and that's how you can create an articles with a Notion AI or ChatGPT. You can choose wherever you want. So, and now, as you understand, we need to create a picture, a thumbnail for our article, and I'm gonna use Midjourney. This is the AI which is located in Discord. So let's just try to ask it to create a thumbnail for us. Create a thumbnail. I need to go to newbies 104 and type just /imagine and write my prompt. So, and let's see what it's gonna create for us, and I hope it will be really interesting and engaging picture. So I find my request, and as you can see, it created for us 4 types of picture, and I really like it. Honestly, I really like it because it looks like a professional created picture. So we can choose any picture. We can try to create something different, and in the next second I'll show you what I created. And Midjourney created for me this incredible picture, and now I just can post it on LinkedIn, Facebook, and you can choose wherever you want. But that's how you can create a full article with text and image only with the help of AI.